Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's always in demand, making more money. But not just any money-making tips. We're talking about the power of high-income skills. So if you're ready to boost your income and change your financial game, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First off, what are high-income skills? These are skills that are in high demand and command a premium price in the marketplace. They're the kind of skills that can significantly boost your earning potential, regardless of your background or experience level. The first step is to identify these high-income skills. Now, they can vary depending on your industry, but some examples include digital marketing, copywriting, coding, graphic design, and sales. These are skills that are not only valuable, but also have the potential to generate substantial income. One of the best ways to acquire high-income skills is through education and training. Fortunately, we live in an age where there are countless resources available, many of them free or affordable. You can take online courses, watch tutorials, read books, or even enroll in specialized training programs. The key is to invest in yourself and commit to continuous learning. That's why it's essential to seek mentorship and guidance from those who have already mastered these skills. Whether it's through networking events, online communities, or mentorship programs, surrounding yourself with knowledgeable and experienced individuals can provide invaluable insights and shortcuts to success. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Once you've acquired the necessary knowledge, it's time to put it into practice. Start taking on freelance projects, internships, or even offer your services pro bono to build your portfolio and gain real-world experience. The more you practice, the more confident and proficient you'll become. The world is constantly changing, and so are market demands. To stay ahead of the curve, you must continuously adapt and evolve your skill set. Stay updated on industry trends, embrace new technologies, and be willing to step out of your comfort zone. Remember, the ability to learn and grow is key to long-term success. In addition to mastering high-income skills, networking and building relationships within your industry are crucial. Attend conferences, join professional associations, and connect with others in your field. You never know when a new opportunity or partnership may arise from these connections. While earning more money is great, it's equally important to make your money work for you. That's where investing comes in. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, investing allows you to grow your wealth over time. Remember, the key is to start small. Do your research and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. Let's talk about passive income, the holy grail of financial freedom. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort on your part, and it can come from sources like rental properties, dividends, or royalties. While building passive income takes time and effort up front, the rewards can be life-changing in the long run. Lastly, don't forget to invest in yourself, both financially and mentally. Allocate a portion of your income towards further education, attending seminars, or hiring coaches who can help you reach your goals. Also, prioritize self-care and personal development to maintain a healthy mindset and balance in your life. So there you have it, folks. Easy ways to make more money by learning high-income skills. It's not always easy, but with dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to invest in yourself, you can unlock a world of opportunities. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep hustling.